Machine Sentry Next Generation.
Hello, and welcome to our first help video from the relaunch of Machine Sentry. This video is the first in a series of videos that will help you to familiarise yourself with the new Machine Sentry portal, from basics such as logging in to full data analysis. So let's start by logging in. Our URL is unchanged, so head over to portal.machinesentry.com. The login page is similar to previous, so enter your username and password here before clicking Login. If you do not have a username or password, you should contact your internal supervisor who deals with Machine Sentry, or you can contact Machine Sentry support at support@avtreliability.com, who will be more than happy to help. The only other feature of the login screen is the Forgotten Password button. This will allow you to reset your own password via email in case you have forgotten it.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.